Welcome to Doralipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check Google Play system update in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app, and after opening the settings app just scroll down, then go to security and privacy. After that scroll down a bit and then go to updates option, and here you can see Google Play system update. Then just tap here and you can see it's checking for update. Here you can see a Google Play system update is available. Now just tap on download and install, and you can see it's downloading the update. So just give it a moment. You can see it's almost done and the download is complete. Now you have to restart your phone. Now just tap on restart. Now the phone will take restart to set the update. So just give it a moment. You can see it's optimizing your all the apps and the restart is complete. Now just unlock your phone. Now if you go to same settings again, just open up settings app, then go to security and then go to updates and then tap on the same option again, and that's it. Now here you can see your device is up to date. That means your Google Play system is up to date now. And that is how you can check for Google Play system update in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.